Let's bring in the lawyers. I want the lawyers. No, I want Sara, Azari, and Geragos, because I got to tell you, I don't know how you're feeling at home, but holy cow. I mean, have we ever had less confidence in our institutions, right? Mm-hmm. They're running these cases against Trump, promising it in campaigns. You know, these ones are hiding the laptop. These guys are doing this. You can't trust anybody. Everything's deep state. And then this lady does this. Geragos. I mean, you know, they're talking about how Biden came up with the right energy at the right moment. Forget Biden. This woman is just what America needed. What do you think of her move and her rationale?
Well, I will tell you, I was texting with your producers today before the judge made the decision. And I said, you know, this case should be over. I mean, you're talking to a guy whose dogs, I've got 2 dogs named Brady and Giglio. And when I heard the prosecutor start to say, it's God's honest truth. When I heard the DA start to say, well, I didn't know, or we didn't know, it was them, and pointing at the team, it was like, have you read the Supreme Court cases? There's another case, a third case, called Kyles v. Whitley, which says even the coroner is part of the law enforcement team. So you don't start blaming the team. Of course, this woman, I'm with you, so refreshing. I would like to say it's probably because she's been practicing criminal defense for 16 years that she's seen it. She's seen, yeah, she's done both.
But she knew what the safe thing.
Yes.
She knew what the safe thing to do was. The safe thing was to shut up and let the judge make the decision.
It's always the case. My father, who was a prosecutor for many years, used to say, why do they want to stick their neck out when they can just let the judge do the dirty work for them? And she could have done that easily. And by the way, how outrageous was that other prosecutor and her hubris and her arrogance? Oh my God, that woman should be summarily defrocked. I've never seen anything quite like it. And one other thing, by the way, for everybody who was throwing, for everybody who was throwing all kinds of darts at Alex Spiro yesterday, saying he wasn't up to it, he wasn't this, he wasn't that. It was his cross-examination that broke this open. So Alex has got a hot hand, and you should take back everybody who was throwing bricks at him yesterday.
Yeah, oh, what a difference a day makes. Sara, and just for everybody at home, I told you about Brady v. Maryland. It was a 1963 case. Giglio was a corollary case that went farther into impeachment, the kind of material you have to turn over if it could be favorable to the defense. And it was in 1972 or something, 73. Anyway, Sara, I can't tell by your face. Are you as impressed by this lady as I am?
Oh, my God. I'm not only impressed, Chris, I can't wrap my head around how she was working with Morrissey, because Morrissey ultimately duped her as well. She didn't just not turn over the evidence as she should. She lied to the court about having complied with all of her discovery obligations, which, by the way, came out because she doubled down and insisted on testifying. And even her co-counsel didn't know that this evidence existed. And, you know, I mean, I'm a little younger than Mark. This is one of the most egregious cases of Brady violation that I've seen in my career. And, you know, when she testified, I also never knew the extent of the bias against Alec Baldwin. So when everyone was saying, oh, he's just being tried because he's Alec Baldwin, I was disagreeing with it. For the first time I heard, and hope NewsNation doesn't fire me, I'm quoting her, she had called Alec Baldwin, quote unquote, sea sucker and you know, arrogant prick and all kinds of things to witnesses. I mean, it was terrible. And there was, just as the judge said, Chris, Sara, there was no righting that wrong.
Last word, Mark.
But you know what's disturbing is, what about the armorer? I mean, remember, this is all because the armorer's dad's friend brought this stuff in because his daughter was sitting in custody. Where is she? Why isn't she out? She should be summarily released.
Well, Exactly. And I think what happened with Morrissey is going to impact Hannah Gutierrez's appeal. I don't know. It's going to bring a new angle to that plea that David Halls took. I mean, this is a mess.
They need to go back to this judge and have her summarily released. She needs to be released. It's ridiculous.
I got to tell you, guys, I'm glad to have this moment with you. Sara, Mark, thank you very much. It's a good one to process together. We needed this. I'm going to take a break, 4 minutes and 5 seconds. But I got to tell you, everybody's saying, boy, Biden really changed his fate. No, you know what? That did a lot more. Hey, thank you for watching. Please go to newsnationnow.com, newsnationnow.com, and you can find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button down below. Then you will get more of NewsNation's fact-driven coverage.